When you talk about the use of AI tools in academic writing, there are a set of AI tools available in the market which are performing very well and going to help you in your day-to-day tasks for your academic writing. In this video, I'm going to review some very prominent AI tools by Google which are going to help you in your academic and research writing, and they are entirely free. You can use them for generating the research ideas, for drafting your research document, for expanding your research document, for gathering the literature review, and for image generation, for code generation, for developing any kind of infographics, all the things at one place. So stay tuned, and you can access the links of all these mentioned tools or by Google from the links available in description below. The very first tool which you can use in your academic journey is Google AI Studio. And this is tool which is going to help you in your day-to-day task for writing, brainstorming, for idea generation, and for many tasks which you can see here in the homepage of the tool. You can create conversational voice apps, you can animate images into videos, you can use Google search data, you can even use Google Maps data, generate images with Nano Banana, Gemini intelligence in your app, and many more. From here, you can change the models according to the requirement of your task model. And here you can use the system instruction templates also. But for researchers and the persons who are in academia, they can use it in their academic task. You can attach the files and you can extract the data from the files also. For example, I'm going to write a literature review and I will upload the files in upload section. I will upload the papers and will write the query about which I want to gather the information from these uploaded files. Here you can see a very well-designed PDF report of the specific questions you have asked in the form of visuals, and you can present it and you can see that they all are clickable and you can make the changes where you want. And when you click it, you will see all the details here. You can download it, you can share it with others, and you can expand this just by asking the further questions which can be added in this specific presentation. In the same way, you can use this tool for idea generation. For example, I want to explore the application of ionic liquors as a solvent in my PhD studies. Give me research topic ideas and also specify the anions and cations with the clickable references. I will click on the option chat with models and will paste this specific query and can get the answers. So as you can see, a very comprehensive in detail answer with multiple ideas by keeping in view the specifications I mentioned in my query with clickable references. I can click them and can check the source. These large language models sometimes fails to access the exact source of information. So it's better to cross-check them and ask the tool to give you the title of the page and DIO for your further clarification. But you can see that these kind of ideas you can get with the help of these free AI tools, which even paid AI tools fails to give you. And after developing the structure and the concept of your research, you can move towards the paid AI tools. So these are different kind of research ideas. I can even expand it and can develop my research proposal. The body of my research proposal, including research gap, research questions, my specific studies which I will perform, and I can take the idea of methodology from this tool. So I will ask, for example, develop the research proposal body for this research idea, including the research question, research gap, and proposed methodology. So this is the main body of your research. You can cross-check it, verify it from the literature, and you can even check these references and can go for any tool, for example, Semantic Scholar or SciSpace, to find the related literature about these specific queries, and you will be very close to finalization of your research topic. In the same way, you can develop the outline of each chapter of your research proposal with the help of Google Studio, and this tool is performing very well to develop the outline of your research topic. Here you can mention all the details of your research proposal, the number of words you want to include, and all the details which you have in your hand. As I'm doing a conversation, so tool know about which topic I'm working, I just feed the tool about the developing the outline of my research proposal, introduction chapter of my research proposal, and I will see a very comprehensive in detail outline which includes all the basic information which I have to include in each section. And even if I mention the number of words, it will suggest me the number of words section wise. So it will make very easy for drafting any kind of a research idea and for writing any kind of a research document. In the same way, you can use this tool to develop the codes for your thematic diagrams, for your research analysis, or for brainstorming if you feel stuck at any stage of your research writing or for the conduction of your practical research. The second tool by Google is Gemini AI. This tool is performing very well to create images and to help you to develop the presentations and designings along with idea generation. I will click on Canvas and will attach the file and will feed the tool about design the presentation of attached file. And you can see that tool is working on a step-by-step process to analyze the document and to develop the visuals for you. And you can see all the details on the canvas. And here, ready to use, ready to download presentation is available. And you can see that the visuals, the text, the alignment is up to the mark. It extracted all the key informations which should be present in the presentation along with images from the attached files and the prominent information. So you can download it and you can make changes where you want to make by taking it into Microsoft PowerPoint slides. The third very important tool of Google is Opal. This tool helps you to develop the mind maps, develop the graphs, the flowchart, the structures of your research. You just have to give the idea here, just enter the topic as I asked it to draw a life cycle of the mice, and you can see that all the informations are present here. And when I click on it, I can see all the connecting headings and subheadings where I can add more information and I can even add more flowchart segments here. When it's ready, I can download it and can share it online. If you are a researcher and you are looking for a free AI tool to write, then Google Notebook LM is for you, because this tool is going to help you can write anything while staying into your own collection. So what you have to do, as you can see my this previously performed task, I have uploaded some of my collections of ionic liquids, and then I can ask the question even after analyzing the uploaded document. Tool suggest me to ask specific questions which I can ask and can gather the information from those uploaded files. All the information will come within text citations which I can click and can see the source, that which information have been gathered from which source. And in the same way, I can write any kind of a research document all from my specific collection of those papers which I just want to include in my writing. As you see on the right side, you can see an audio overview of the file, a video overview of the file, mind map, reports, flashcards, quizzes, infographic, slide deck, data table, each and everything of your uploaded data, and you can generate it just by clicking on that. So here you can see a very comprehensive data has been generated based on the information which have been provided in the uploaded PDF files, and I can share it and I can download it just by allowing the access bar, and I can copy the link even. In the same way, I can see an audio overview of this specific information which have been gathered, and even a video overview also. And you can use this for generating ideas of different type of documents, and you can use it for your any kind of a content creation, not specifically for your research documents. In this way, you can convert any kind of a script into very interactive videos just by clicking on the video overview option. You can access all these free tools by Google from the links available in description.
We are driving into a really strange state of matter, one that could honestly revolutionize pretty much everything from our cars to our computers. They're called ionic liquids, and get this, they're basically salts that are liquid at room temperature. So let's unpack how these so-called designer fluids are getting ready to solve some of our world's biggest engineering problems. Okay, so to really get this, we have to start with a problem that affects every single one of us every single day: friction. You know, it's that force that's constantly wearing down our machines, making our engines run hot, and just wasting a truly colossal amount of energy. But how much energy are we talking about, really? Well, there was this landmark report on tribology. That's the science of friction, and it uncovered something absolutely stunning. It turns out friction costs an industrialized country somewhere between 1% and 2% of its entire gross domestic product every single year. To put that into perspective, for a country like the United States, we're talking about hundreds of billions of dollars. Because these ions are charged, they're super attracted to surfaces. They just spontaneously organize themselves into these incredibly neat, distinct layers. Think of it like a deck of cards lying flat on a table. Each card can just slide so easily over the one below it. That's pretty much what these layers are doing. And this isn't just some passive film like a coat of paint. No, this is an active, highly structured, and unbelievably tough shield that physically protects surfaces from grinding against each other. It's not just lubrication, it shows that we can now command these molecules. We can change how they behave on demand, and we can do.
There is another very important feature of Gemini AI, and that is its Nano Banana feature, which allows you to create image of any kind of a research image, which you can use. For example, I ask it, draw the life cycle of mice, for example. And here you can see a very comprehensive, very good quality image, which you can download, has been generated in few seconds. And in the same way, you can ask it to draw a distillation apparatus in the chemistry lab with a female chemist. And you can do it with your own images and convert your raw images into professional images just by uploading it. And here you can see a very high quality image have been generated in few seconds. So you can make your research journey accurate, to the point, and accountable by using these AI tools by Google. And there's some features that are specifically designed for the researchers, for the persons who are looking for innovations and new ideas to explore on. If you are a researcher and using AI tools for your academic writing, for your day-to-day tasks, for brainstorming, then I will suggest you to have a deep hands-on on these AI tools, because if you know how to prompting faster, for which purpose you have to use which tool, then your research journey, then you know how to use AI tools smartly and efficiently. If you need any suggestion about the tools which I have mentioned in this video, you can ask in the comment section. I will see you in another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.